Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix forward-focus transmission issues. First, identify common problems such as shuddering or slipping. Use an OBD-Roman 2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes, which can pinpoint specific faults. Pay close attention to how your vehicle drives, noting any unusual noises or delayed gear engagement. This initial diagnosis is crucial for effective repair. Many forward-focus transmission problems stem from the transmission control module or the clutch. Ensure your TCM has the latest software updates, as this often resolves shifting issues. Carefully inspect the clutch assembly for wear. If the friction material is thin or damaged, replacement is necessary. A new clutch can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and longevity. The Ford Focus often features a dual-clutch transmission, which requires specific care. Regular transmission, fluid, and filter changes are vital for its health, typically every 60,000 miles or as recommended. Proper calibration of the clutch and shift forks is also essential to prevent common issues like shuddering. This specialized maintenance keeps your transmission running smoothly. For complex internal transmission repairs, it is often best to consult a professional mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix intricate problems. To prevent future issues, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Additionally, driving smoothly, avoiding harsh acceleration and braking, will significantly extend your transmission's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.